Hey there, I'm Luke, and welcome back to a brand new episode of LFT. First of all, I just want to apologize for the super huge delay between content. I know it's been a while, but I've been working on some really exciting things, and some of which you can check out in the Liquid YouTube channel up here or in the description down below. I'll leave them linked. But as the school year is coming up, I'm really trying to get more consistent content up on this channel. So today I'm really excited to introduce a brand new series I'm calling Lunch Break. So Lunch Break is based on a quote that I've heard from a lot of famous YouTubers talking to people who are just getting started on the platform, which is the best piece of gear, meaning the best camera, the best microphone, is the thing that you already have in your pocket, meaning your smartphone. So for the videos that I make, there is literally zero phone involvement in the production process, but I thought, what if I gave one piece of gear every episode a lunch break and I replaced it with my smartphone? So for this episode, I'm replacing my mirrorless camera with the Pixel 3a, which I thought is a great phone for this series because it's one that everybody with a phone can afford at $400 or less, and also it has one of the best smartphone cameras on the market right now. So anyway, that switch has already been done, so let's talk about what went into making this shot right here. Before we get started with this video, I should mention every single shot will be recorded on the Pixel 3a. Okay, so overall the lighting setup is pretty much the same, but I did move my lights, including my softboxes, in a little closer to the subject. This allowed me to turn down the EV and take more of the window out of overexposed city. As for the camera setup, I bought this little phone to tripod thread adapter for like 10 bucks and it does the trick. Currently, I have my phone on top of a newer fluid head and the tripod itself is in the way back of the room. I definitely find that I'm sitting a lot closer to the camera though, because the Pixel 3a's lens is a lot wider than what I'm used to. For the actual camera, I'm using the one and only standard rear shooter on the Pixel 3a. As Moment and other related lens add-ons are pretty expensive, I'm literally just using the stock setup on the stock Google camera app. The phone seemed to be pretty sensitive to movement, so I opted to keep stabilization on, which does create some weird artifacts from time to time. So framing is really important to me, but adding a monitor to this shot definitely complicated things. So right now I have my phone connected remotely to my computer using an app called Visor and an extra long USB-C cable. And then from there, I'm using an old monitor to see the shot and control the camera settings, focus, and record without ever having to leave my spot, which is really nice. So that's about it. I know this was definitely complicated, I'm not gonna lie, but I also think it proves exactly what I wanted it to. You don't have to go all out with it, but the Pixel 3a is definitely a great camera replacement because honestly, I thought the shots looked really good, which is just something to say. So if you have a modern smartphone, you could do the exact same thing. So I'd say give it a shot. If you're just getting started on YouTube or if you don't have a camera, use your phone, see what it's like. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys real soon. All right. Oh man, oh man, oh man. All right, see you guys.